Hi, so now I'm going to show you how to fit one of our standard KSME Axial Cyclones onto a normal tray deck, such as you can see here. Have a look at the section, because these decks are generally from 2 or 3 millimeter thick stainless, and they come pre-formed in sections with stiffening beams. So what we have is just the deck perforated to take the cyclones through the top, and you'll have a standard unit supplied like this, complete with all the clamp, bar and mating flange at the bottom end and the cap at the top end here. So the first thing we need to do when you receive it will be just to undo the clamp bolt nuts on the top here, so that the retainer bar is free to move. Then we can just remove the mating flange, which actually fits. This will actually go below the deck at a later stage and then just mate with the unit from below. So I'll put that to one side. So the top unit, which has the O-ring seal attached, I don't know if you can see it there, it's got the seal in place, just check that before it goes in, but all units are shipped with that seal. These units are simply turned the correct way up, and then the retainer bar itself can just be slotted into the gap, and the whole unit just neatly drops down into position like so. So then if we pick up the mating flange, this is needed to be fitted from below, where you can see the unit sticking through here. It's proud of the base by approximately 5 millimeters. So that means if we just tighten the clamp bar up here, there's nothing to hold it in place, it will just rock. So what we supply is the mating flange here, which acts as a spreader and clamp arrangement. It just slips around the clamp bar and then fits over the end of the cyclone itself, such that the retainer bar can then just be tightened up. You can see it, you can do it with fingers to start with, and then just nip it up with a spanner, and then finally the lock nut itself can just be closed up, and again just lock that with a spanner when you're finished, and then that's securely fastened in place.